this for us? I mean,
I'm Steph.
And I'm Pete.
And that's our 2-year-old son, Hayes. We were selected by AIRBNB to travel the world for a year, calling a new destination home for a month at a time. And this month, we're in Seoul.
Follow along.
We're back from Busan, and I've taken Hayes to a cat cafe down the street from our Airbnb. He told me he loved the cat cafe and that it was a lot of fun and that maybe we could come back tomorrow. It's our last week in Seoul, and this morning we are at the Korea National Museum Children's Museum, which is a free children's museum in the same building or complex as the National Museum. Pete and I were just talking about how this is the second children's specific museum we've been to here, and they're so calm and minimalist, and the colors are lovely. They're so different than the way we do children's colors at home, bright in your face primary colors. It's just very chill and lovely.
alright, I'm inspired by Kara and Nate. They recently did a survival challenge on a desert island for 72 hours and they had to make their own fire. I'm getting to do it as well.
Where's the fire?
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm getting
Where's our son?
Oh, that's a good question.
Also, I think we've talked about how we love the kids cafes, but they're kind of expensive. This is free, totally free. The museum was great, and it's right near the Yongsan family park, which I believe was a golf course on the old US military base and now is a civilian park since the 90s. Anyway, it's got a great playground.
Cross my name off the list. This is without rhyme or reason. I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. It's time to pay off.
We've walked by this place about 10 times now, and it's always packed. It's always looked amazing. So excited to try it.
Did not expect to eat so much Japanese food in Seoul, but we've been eating a lot of it, particularly Pete, who's been eating tons of Japanese curry.
Love it.
Anyway,
Love it.
that was great. We're going home for Hayes to nap, and then this afternoon we're gonna go try to check out the Banpo Rainbow Bridge light show. Banana song. Ding dong, ding dong. Should we go across the bridge?
Oh, where did map go?
Do it.
We are down at the river. We're waiting for the sun to go down, which walk and talk. We have come to Banpo Park, because there's a famous bridge that has a light show and a water show when the sun goes down. So we are now waiting for that.
So if you've been watching our other vlogs, we came to a different park on the Han River a couple weeks ago in the daytime and unsuccessfully ordered chicken. I think because it was daytime, but also because our phones don't make calls and I don't know how to explain to somebody in English, let alone Korean, how to find me in a park to deliver me chicken. This park has both a chicken shop and a beer shop right over there. And a playground.
And a playground. Kind of weird playground, but...
Whoa!
Get Tanny picnic.
What do you want to eat?
Eat this. Let's get this.
Alright, let's wash those hands first though.
Okay, I'm not going to bore you by talking about chicken for 5 minutes, but once again, we're on the river having fried chicken that is not good, except now we have had good Korean fried chicken. We had some good Korean fried chicken with rice cakes at the soccer game. We had some good fried chicken in Busan that was a chain, Mom's Touch. I had low expectations and it was good. This is not good, but it's beautiful out and we're watching this really cool bridge and we're having a great time. I just am laughing at the fact that this is like the thing to do and we can't seem to make a success of it.
But what we do have is the memories.
Also, can somebody tell me why fried chicken is so expensive here? This was like $20. $20!
Saw some bad on that.
The Rainbow Fountain Bridge, and it's pretty cool, very beautiful.
Great way to see the city at night as well.
And we're on our way home, so see you tomorrow.
Whoa. Fun fact, my fun facts are back. There are 32 bridges across this river that I do not know the name of. Hangang in Seoul. This is the coolest one.
Have you been on the other 31?
I think we've been on at least like 2 others.
Good morning. We've been here a few weeks, but we haven't been to the famous palace. So that's where we're headed this morning. Should be about a 45-minute walk, and we're hoping to get there in time for changing of the guards. Also, if you've been watching our videos and you notice the sound and the video quality is not quite as good on these, it's because the camera I usually use broke, but I'm picking it up this afternoon. Mercury is definitely in retrograde because my computer also broke, and I took that to this crazy electronic market that is just like a cavernous maze of computer parts and all sorts of technology. And so I'm hoping I can get that back this week as well, because we leave next week.
Just like the winners know. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet?
We just got here and I'm so excited. We tried to buy tickets, but this lady told us it's free today, and I think it's because it's like Royal Week month? I thought the week was over. Anyway. Going on, but they're like practicing outside, but then they started marching, so I like ran over here because there's a big drum, and I think something obviously is going to happen out here. So I'm really excited for it.
Hazy. Hazy, you watching? Alright, so what are your thoughts?
It's elaborate.
Is that you? Are you marching? Can you do some marching?
No.
Can you show us your marching? It keeps falling out your pocket. Where's? Put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket. Where? What? Oh!
They do that 4 times a day.
Incredible. I can't believe they do it in the heat of the summer with all those traditional outfit clothes on. I mean, unbelievable, but really cool. My favorite part was seeing these young lads, teenagers, wearing the traditional hanbok and getting a lot of laughs.
I think it's a thing.
It's obviously it must be a thing.
Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should have known that you'd believe.
What? Okay. Hayes has a bit of an audience for just existing.
Dance, 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 dance.
Go dance! Oh, go do some spinning. Okay, okay. We finished at the palace, we were hungry, and then we realized that we're near this market that I wanted to check out called Tongin Market, where you give them 5,000 won, which is about not $5, and they give you like these traditional brass tokens and this lunchbox, and you can go all around and exchange your tokens for little bits of food until your plate's full and your tokens are gone and you have lunch. So that's what we're headed to do. And on the way here we found the cutest little neighborhood. Okay, I got my coins. It didn't account for inflation. Apparently it's 10,000 won now per person, and I got one for Hayes when I thought it was 5. Anyway, you can exchange what's left over at the end.
How do you go this?
Can you show me your coins?
Yeah, but you can get these out.
Samida. It's so cool, she's putting them in the lunchbox. And John Kerry ate at this place, evidently. John Kerry. John Kerry?
Jim Carrey, isn't it?
No.
I went for the fire chicken. 감사합니다.
That looks good.
Smells good. 감사합니다. Your tray is filling up.
I don't want that. My kimbap.
Why don't you get it?
How many?
4? 1.
Nice one.
2. 3. Oh, 감사합니다.
No. No.
Ketchup, yeah, I like a bit of ketchup.
We're getting Hayes a hot dog just to ensure he eats something.
요거 카메라 보고 뭐라 내가? 어깨 동무도 하겠다. 잘하네.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Did she do a nice job?
Okay,
With the
let's
sauce?
get out of here.
Sauce okay.
Sauce okay.
Sauce okay.
감사합니다.
Oh, it's like a sweet.
What are you doing? We're not even sat down yet.
I'm hungry, so I tried a sweet potato. And it's covered in like syrup.
Oh, let's
It
try
looked like it might be savory.
See, they always get you with the cheeky.
I know, it looks like soy kind of. Oh, it's like literally, look at that. Can you see that? Okay, so
Oh, wow.
Hayes will eat things on this plate.
Oh, super sweet.
Okay. We
It's
gotta
like-
find more.
Sweet potato is already sweet enough.
Running out of space on my tray. Should we go get a table?
Is this for us? I mean, minister. Very cool.
Which minister?
SMB,
SMB.
small and medium administration.
Businesses. Okay.
SBA in America.
Yeah, SBA. Yep.
okay,
Mhm. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Startups.
And the what?
And startups. Startups.
Startups. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, got my camera back, as you can see from me testing the footage in the Sony repair shop, so hopefully the quality of this vlog continues from here on out.